welcome to my channel. Even before I begin the video today, a quick disclaimer that today I'm sharing my experience of something that I like to do as a part of my skincare routine. It is not something that you have to do. It's just a girl helping a girl out if you're looking for the right way to shave your face and get rid of the peach fuzz, or are just worried about the myths related to face shaving. Well, face shaving as part of skincare routine has been in discussion for a while now. I'm sharing my experience with you because I've been doing this since 2020. So it is tried, tested and done again and again over the years. I don't even remember the last time I stepped into a parlor to get my eyebrows done. I do it with the same razor which I use to get rid of my peach fuzz. In today's video, we will cover the myths and the process of face shaving. Before we begin, if you have any skin issues, acne or any other skin related problem, please reach out to your dermat and take advice from them on what would be best for you to do. And if you're doing this for the first time, make sure that you do on little skin first, like a patch test. And if you see that you are not breaking out or facing any irritation, then you can do it full-fledged the next time. Now, without any further delay, let's dive right in. Let's first address the myths of face shaving. No, that is not true. Your hair does not grow back thicker. Firstly, with face shaving, you're getting rid of peach fuzz or hair which is on the surface of your skin. It has nothing to do with your hair growth. It has no effect on your hair follicles growth rate. Just like I mentioned previously, with face shaving, you're getting rid of hair only on the surface of your skin. So it has nothing to do with faster growth, thicker growth or darker growth. I know that many think that your skin gets darker just like when you see a man gets a shave done and you can see that shade on their face. But no, that is not true. I've been doing face shaving for 4 years and that is enough proof. But you need to be extremely careful with the technique of shaving and the type of razors that you use. You cannot use the razor that a man uses to shave. The razors are different for our face shaving. We'll speak about both of these as we go by in the video. Let's first discuss on how to shave your face. Begin with washing your face clean with water and pat dry and apply an aloe vera gel of your choice. Apply a thin layer for a smooth shaving process. I will link all these products in the description box for your easy access. Remember that you need to always shave in the direction of your hair. So take your face razor and hold it at a 45-degree angle. Not straight to the skin but at a 45-degree angle. Please don't go over and over again on the same skin. Take one smooth glide and move to the next. Once you are done, make sure you wash your face clean with water. Gently pat your face dry and then use a barrier repair cream. I like the one from Dot & Key. I also have a review live on this particular product on my channel. If you've missed it, I'll place a link here on screen and in the description box. You can check it out. I do this once in every 2 weeks. Do not do this more than once in a week because that can lead to irritation. Also, don't immediately use makeup once you've shaved your face. You need to give your skin time to rest. I always keep a stock of face razors handy at all times because I also use these to get my eyebrows done. I will also list down in the description box the face razors that I've used over the years and that have worked for me for your easy access. You can check it out. In addition to face shaving, people also resort to face waxing or laser hair removal treatments to get rid of facial hair. But I feel that face shaving is more economical and a painless way to do it. Yet again, getting rid of body hair and facial hair is a personal choice. Let no one force you into doing this. I've shared my experience for those who want to do it. Do what makes you happy and makes you feel the most confident in. Well, that's all for today. I really hope this video was helpful. If you've watched this far, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You'll see me in my next one. Happy skincare!